So, I can show you how you can build this igniter. With easy to find materials and also remotely activated. And you can use it for wood stoves, for fireworks, and of course for rockets. Let's get started. At first you need a piece of copper cable. This is just from an internet cable, and then just trim both sides. Then you can take another wire, copper or steel. I prefer steel. It has a little bit higher resistance, and that is why it melts faster. Then you can take a steel strand and just wind around the copper wires. The distance in a steel strand can be around 15 to 20 mm. That works best for me. So you don't have to solder them, but if you solder them, they have a lot better connection and they will be more reliable. So when you did that, you can take the steel branch and wind it around the copper wire, like this. And if you want to just set off fireworks, you can just wind it around the fuse. That works also very well. Now we are going to make a paste what will help with ignition. And this paste is made with matches, a lot of them. And you can just use pliers to remove the match tip. Now you're gonna take all that match powder and add some water. And then just mix it until it will become a paste. Then you can take the paste and the fuse and cover the fuse in the paste. And this is the same for the firework fuse. And now just let it dry for 4 hours. Now we are going to make the remote. I'm going to use 3 9-volt batteries, but you can use lithium or something else. Which can reach around 6 to 8 amps. I'm going to use the 9-volt battery adapters and I just solder them in parallel. And solder that to another wire. And I also use some heat shrinking tubes stuff. And when that was done, I pre-printed a simple box where I can put everything in and also some switches. Then I did some great soldering off camera, and here's a schematic above. And now I can assemble everything. And the only thing we can do now is test it. Oh yeah, quick tip. If you want to make a wood fire really fast with this igniter, just throw some alcohol in there. And place the igniter on top. Oh yeah, that can be very dangerous, just don't do it at home. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.